Hello guys, and we are back at Haulover Boat Ramp, and we have another update. It's been 3 months since we did our last video, and we got very exciting video coming up. Check it out. It looks like they finally finished the other boat ramps. It looks like the ramps are done. The floating docks are done as well. The connecting ramps are done, and even the parking lot is done. Still not open, they're closed. They haven't get it working yet. I'm sure they still got to figure out what they're doing here. But they have a total of 13 ramps, which is probably more than what they did before. I'm guessing that this little one is either for smaller boats or jet skis, as we have seen in other boat ramps where they actually use just one for jet skis. King ties are here. Check it out, king ties are here. That's supposed to be above water, and it's not. We got very high king ties today, and are we excited?
We are, finally.
We are excited.
2-3 years
It's been more than that. It's been since 2022. It was supposed to be done the summer of 2023, and we are when?
2025.
October 2025. So it's October the 4th, 2025 by the time we're recording this video, and it's been 3 long years, right? So, but at least, hey, we're here. They're done, and we're just waiting for them to finally open. Yeah, it looks really nice. Like I said, it's got 13 ramps. This little one, which has very little access on this side, is probably going to be for the jet skis, and the jet ski center is almost full again. This whole parking lot is done. I'm guessing this is going to be just the exit, so the entrance is still going to be where it is right now, where over there we're going to show you with the drone. Over there where you enter, you have the little parking lot for just cars, and then the entrance to the main ramps is going to be there. So you're going to come that way. You're gonna come here, get your boat ready and launched, and then once you're done, you go that way, and the exit will be that way. So this is only an exit. Where it used to be entrance and exit, now it's only gonna be the exit, which you're only gonna be able to take Collins Avenue going south. But we are very excited to have this open. It has only taken about 3.5 years to Miami-Dade County to finish this. And we're excited. We still only have actually 4 ramps open right now, which are the original 2 that they opened 3 months ago when it was open at 50% capacity. And when I say 50% capacity, it's just because the parking lot was only half of it was open. The other one, they were still working on it. And if you haven't checked that video, you can just go check it out. I'm gonna leave it up in the description, and I'm gonna put it somewhere up here. And but yeah, so we're excited because Haulover is one of our favorite, at least is my favorite sandbar to come. And when we have to bring somebody from out of the country or from out of the state, family members that never been here, we usually have to go to Hollywood and then drive all the way here, which we do enjoy that ride, but it will be a lot easier if we come here, and then we usually go to the Miami River or something like that. So it'll be nice to have these open. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of aerial footage, and we'll show you the docks in a minute. These are the new ramps, the new floating docks. I'm not sure what of a challenge it will be backing up a trailer here, because this long dock, you have to grab your lines here or there. But hey, it's better than what it was before. As you can see today, king tides are here, and you're level. That's why they decided to go with floating docks. and they also raised this floor so king tide is not going to come all the way up here, and it's going to keep your truck safe because these grooves, you know, will help the truck from going under. So we're going to go check out this dock. All right, so this is the floating platform. This is the connecting platform to the floating dock. All right, so it's got, I don't know, maybe 30 feet long, and as the tide goes up or down, this will go up and down. And here's what I'm saying, that, you know, sometimes if you're putting your boat here and you have to move it all the way there, you know, it's very narrow here, and you actually have to grab the pole in order to go around it. And if you have lines on your hands, you know, it's not going to be easy. Again, I'm not complaining, but you know, it's the reality of it, right? So the right side, if you're smart, make sure that you stay on the left side of the floating dock, which will make it easier to back it down at least to here, right? And then yeah, they look good. They should, in my opinion, they should have made this a little longer, just to make it easier to have, you know, two big boats. As you can see, we're Haulover, and you got big boats that come out here. Obviously they're not trailerable, but there are big boats that are trailer here, and you know, this might be too short for two of those big ones, but we're here, and it's looking good. Haulover is looking good. Hopefully it won't be long until they reopen this 100%, but even though you know, right now it's actually fairly empty. It's Saturday afternoon, it's about 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and you know, some boats are coming in, and the parking lot, even though there's only 50% of the parking lot open, is not full. So, you know, and of course it's fall time, so a lot, you know, water's getting cold, and a lot of people are not going on the water or the sandbar. So, but yeah, we're almost there. So yeah, we are very excited. We can't wait for them to open, because this is gonna allow us to go, you know, further into Miami River, to Stillsville, hell, maybe even to Elliott Key when we go down there, because having to deal with Crandon Park, Matheson Hammock, or even 79th Street, you know, is a hassle, you know, when summertime is here. Some of those ramps close at 7 o'clock in the morning, you know, 7:30, and when we live in Broward County and we got a trailer down here, it's a pain in the ass. So we're very excited. They're gonna have about 290 parking spaces here, and Haulover is back. Actually, 3 of them are able to be used right now. But if you can check here on the first one, that one you can see right here is the smallest one, and is very narrow passage in between the two docks. So I'm guessing that is probably going to be just for either very small boats or jet skis only on the right side, and then the rest are going to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 ramps that are going to be able to be used here. And we are actually very excited that this ramp is coming back online, because you know, this summer was very brutal trying to get, you know, boats on the water in Miami, you know, between not having enough space in 79th Street, Crandon Park, or even Matheson Hammock. You know, is very, very crucial that this opens. So we are checking this right now. And look, it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and the parking lot is actually half empty right now. And there's people just picking up boats and jet skis. Very cool. And you can see here, we have, that's the intracoastal, and you're gonna be able to see the Haulover Sandbar up in the distance. Right here on your right side of the screen, you're gonna see, this is the jet ski center. This is where most of the jet skis that are local here, they stored, and this is actually a really cool spot for people that have jet skis and don't have room where to keep them. And all you got to do here is you call them up in the morning and say, hey, I want to come get my ski today, and they will put it on the water for you. But yeah, check it out. There's a lot of jet skis out here. A lot of jet skis out here, right next to the Intercoastal. Check it out. All right, that's the jet ski center. Then now we're gonna move over to the parking lot. Look, it's fairly empty. It's, I will say, probably 50%, if not less, is being used right now. And if you come over to the left side of that, the other half of the parking lot is actually a lot bigger than the one that they have in use right now. And I'm gonna show you here. So what used to be the entrance to the marina is now only an exit. It's not gonna be the entrance to the marina. The entrance is where it is right now, which is further south, that is mixed with the regular cars parking. So this is now going to be a exit only. All right, so we are going to leave you with just a few images so you can see, you know, how it looks. Now is a quick update, and hopefully they will reopen this really quick. And this is a reminder, if you don't follow us on Instagram, I'm gonna leave you the link down below. Follow us because you know, we can post our weekend activities
And it's free.
more often, and it's also free. Also, if you actually, I'm gonna tell you, we started a new series which is gonna be the Kiwi Junior Bay Reef Restoration Series. We got a smaller boat, a 19-foot Bay Reef, that we're gonna be restoring. Well, I'm gonna be restoring.
I can supervise.
Yeah, I'm gonna be restoring, and it's gonna be really cool because we're gonna have to build it from ground up. So if you like restoration and, you know, rebuild videos and do it yourself, don't forget to subscribe because those are coming and they're gonna be really cool. All right, we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.